Imagine standing at the edge of a lush forest, the cool breeze carrying the scent of pine and earth. You feel a sense of calm that city life rarely offers. This peaceful scene is nature's invitation to us, a reminder that true health is more than pills and prescriptions. This is holistic health, a way of seeing wellness as a whole, where mind, body, and spirit are equally important. Holistic health is an ancient concept, yet today, it's gaining ground as modern science backs up its benefits. Research reveals that an individual approach to health, one that addresses not only symptoms but also lifestyle, environment, and even emotional well-being, can lead to a longer, healthier life. Think of holistic health as a triangle, with the mind, body, and spirit each forming one side. When any side is neglected, the triangle starts to wobble. But when they're balanced, they create a strong foundation for well-being. Let's start with the mind. Our mental health plays a bigger role in physical health than many people realize. Chronic stress, for example, increases the risk of everything from heart disease to digestive disorders. Studies show that practices like meditation, mindfulness, and even simply taking a few minutes each day to disconnect from screens can lower stress hormone levels, reduce inflammation, and improve overall mental clarity. It's like giving your brain a spa day, which in turn can lead to clearer thinking, better sleep, and even a stronger immune system. Then, there's the body. Traditional medicine often looks at the body as separate systems, but holistic health reminds us that our systems are deeply connected. Take gut health, for instance. Did you know that nearly 70% of our immune cells live in the gut? Emerging research suggests that a balanced gut can improve mood, energy levels, and even brain function. Including probiotics, prebiotics, and fiber-rich foods in our diet can enhance gut health and, by extension, boost immunity and mental well-being. A well-rounded diet rich in colorful vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats doesn't just fuel your body, it helps regulate mood, manage weight, and keep chronic conditions at bay. And finally, there's the spirit. In a holistic approach, this isn't about religion, but rather a sense of connection, purpose, and joy in life. Studies show that people with a sense of purpose have lower rates of anxiety and depression and even live longer. This purpose can come from many places: family, art, helping others, or simply spending time in nature. Just 20 minutes in a natural setting can lower blood pressure and improve mood, making it a powerful, no-cost tool in holistic wellness. As we bring these elements together, here's a practical tip to start your holistic journey. Create a simple daily routine that touches on each part of the wellness triangle. Begin your day with a few moments of mindfulness, whether it's meditation, a quiet cup of tea, or just deep breathing. Aim for balanced, nutritious meals, and make movement a daily ritual. It doesn't have to be intense. A walk in the park or some gentle stretching will do. And finally, find a little joy each day, something that feeds your soul. Maybe it's a hobby, connecting with a loved one, or watching a sunset. In our high-speed world, this approach might feel simple, even radical. But as science and ancient wisdom meet, we're discovering that this balance, this holistic view, isn't just a lifestyle, it's a path to true, lasting health. So, take that first step into the forest of holistic wellness. Find the balance that works for you, and remember, you are the sum of your mind, body, and spirit.